welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan guys, how is everyone? I hope everyone is doing fine, doing great. And yeah, for today's video, actually my son just taking his afternoon nap. So I decided to make a vlog. By the way guys, thank you for those who supported my previous video. Thank you so much guys for the support. For those who just subscribed to my channel. And thank you also for those who are still here watching my videos and supporting my videos. Family, friends, viewers, and supporters. Everyone I know. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yun, for today's video, I'm just gonna unbox these deliveries that we received today and a few days ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna share to you. And guys, before I start my unboxing, kwentuhan ko muna kayo about this television program here in Korea. It's a famous television program that shows the real life relationship of foreign Myeonari or daughter-in-law, Korean mother-in-law relationship. So, kaya ako naikwento guys kasi one of their staff, the EBS staff, called my husband few days ago, and they are asking some information about me and my husband and my mother-in-law, and they are planning to feature our story to their channel nga. At first, I'm so excited because I'm a fan of this channel, kasi this program, kasi you can learn so much from this program, especially with daughter-in-law, mother-in-law relationship. So, dun din mga troubles nila, andun lahat. So, iba-ibang story yon na pinapakita doon. So, natuwa ako kasi I'm thinking na ma-feature ako in my mother-in-law dun sa program nila. It's so exciting, di ba? So, but the problem is, first, they need kasi, dapat kasi nakatira ka, you are living with your mother-in-law together. So, this time, we are not living together. Then, one more thing, kaya hindi na nila ipinush, kasi, we have a good relationship with my mother-in-law. So, sayang, kasi, I really like that idea na ma-feature yung aming story sa national television here in Korea. And I imagine also myself on the television, and then it's just very interesting and very exciting. Ayun, pero yun nga, hindi kami na pinush kasi nga we are not living together with my mother-in-law, and we have a good relationship. So normally yung pinupush nila doon, fini-feature nila doon yung mga may problem with the relationship with mother-in-law and Myeonari and the mother-in-law. So, yan. Na-share ko lang sa inyo, guys. Ayun. So, yeah. I'll start my unboxing now. And, yeah. Just keep on watching. So, yun, guys. Ito. I have you. Actually, binuksan ko na. Yeah. My husband bought, this one, Black Pearl Mega. So, it's a very cute pressure cooker. I think it's only I don't know how many ml, but ayan. And you know guys, we all know the use of pressure cooker, diba? We usually use this for meat, for tendering meat. And but have you tried to use this for cooking rice? Yeah, you can use this pressure cooker in cooking a white rice or kanin. Kasi actually I just learned just here in Korea. I learned this from my mother-in-law. they use the pressure cooker to cook a rice. And if you want to know how, I'm gonna show you later how I do it. And it's very simple and very easy. And yeah, yan. Comment down below, guys, if you haven't tried this yet. For those who has a pressure cooker, yeah, just yeah, you may try this idea and you'll definitely love it, especially for those cooking na maramihang cooking. So it's very perfect. So inside, yun nga, they have here, yan. And then there's a manual, and there's no more. For the next item, this is I don't know what's this, pero I think this is my husband also bought. For this box, I don't know what's this. Ah, wow. This is so cute. I think this is a pot. Oh yes, that's a pot. Oh, my husband is so... Ayan. Made in Vietnam. It's so pretty, right? Ayan. There's a pot, and I think this is another pot. Another pot. My husband is so perfect. Look at that. It's so pretty. I love the color. Yeah, 2 pieces. And then another one. It's a gift set. Just whatever. We'll see. Wow! Wow, look at that. This is so pretty. And show ko yung camera. Oh, sweet naman ni husband. Ayan. So guys, this yeah. This means adult. It's son. It's for my son. Tile is for my daughter. It's a family mug. It's so cute. And then this one is Oma. It's mine. And then Appa. My husband. Oh, my husband's so sweet. Didn't know this. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Cute. And then this one. This is another one. It's so big. I think this is a mat. Ah, it's a mattress. And it's only a mattress. Ayun guys, so it's a mattress. Ayan, it's so soft. And guys, so next na i-unbox natin is this one. I don't know what it is. Honey, gibuya? Huh? Wow, it's a gift set. Is it for me? For our? Ah. Cute. Ah. It's a hand wash for kids. So I have these. My kids love this because they love to wash their hands and play with water. And then this refills. And then, what else? Oh, there's another one. So, it's a fry pan. Fry pan. And then a bigger one. Ayan. I think that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And yeah, if you're not yet connected, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you again next time, guys. Bye! Bye!